Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about criteria of similarity, means the condition for similarity of two triangles. And first theorem is AAA similarity, means angle similarity. If two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar. Means if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are similar. Suppose there are two triangles ABC and DEF, in which given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, corresponding angles are equal, means angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, and angle C equal angle F. It is given. To prove that these two triangles are similar, for it we have to show that their corresponding sides are proportional, means AB by DE equal AC by DF equal BC by EF. We have to show this relation, and it is also known as triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Two triangles are similar when their corresponding angles are equal or their corresponding sides are proportional. In this theorem we have to show that if corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional, that is, the triangles are similar. Now construction. Now take a point D and take point E and F on it is P and Q. Take points P and Q on D and DF such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. Means we have to take 2 points P and Q on D and DF such that the length of DP is equal to AB and the length of DQ is equal to AC. Now proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB equal DP by construction, AC equal DQ, it is also by construction, and angle A equal angle D, it is given. equal A angle equal D, it is given. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS, means side angle side, SAS congruency. Since triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, then angle B is also equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q. We know that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Means angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q. But angle B is equal to angle E, it is given, and angle C is equal to angle F, it is also given. Means B equal P and angle B is equal angle E, means angle P is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle Q, C is also equal to F, then Q and F are equal. Angle F. Angle P is equal to angle E, means this angle is equal to this term and it is also equal. These angles are equal, these are corresponding angles equal, means this line is parallel to EF. Since corresponding angles equal, means then PQ is parallel to EF, and when PQ is parallel to EF, we apply by Thales theorem. DP by, in triangle DEF, PQ is parallel to EF, then by Thales theorem DP by DE is equal DQ by DF by corollary of Thales theorem. DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF, but DP is equal to AB by construction, and DQ is equal to AC. Then we have AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Similarly, we can show that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Means AB by D is equal to AC by DF. Similarly, we can show that AB by D is also equal to BC by EF if we take side BC instead of AC. Therefore, AB by DE, AC by DF and BC by EF are equal, means sides of a triangle are proportional, hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. sides are proportional, then triangles are similar. Means in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal, then they are similar. If corresponding angles are equal, otherwise if at least two corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar.